Okay, you call them obj dot, okay, add. Now here within this method you pass the parameters as what? Okay, initially no parameter, okay, no parameter. Then same you copy this one, you paste, next you paste one more time. Here it is giving error because no any margin will be accepted here. It is a one space margin, one space. Okay. Now how many? There is no parameter here. It is, suppose if you pass one parameter as an argument, for these parameters you are passing argument any number. So I will, whenever you are calling that method, so that moment whatever values you pass, they are called arguments. Here I pass two arguments, 9 comma 6, okay, 4, whatever. Now here finally I will pass three values, okay, three values were 3 comma 9 or somewhat 9. So now what happened? Now try to call them, okay, try to execute, compile this code. So what happened? So try to understand what 3, 7, 10, 18. This is 18. Here 8 for 12. 8 plus 4, 12. This is 8. This is for no parameter you have passed. So 0. Value is equal to 0. So what happened? Here these are called user defined polymorphic functions. User defined. Myself as a programmer, I have defined these. It is a return type method. It returns. It is a return type method. It returns the whatever the parameters means variable. These are the variables you have passed here. Normally they are called parameters. Okay. So for them you need to assign the argument values as an argument whenever you are calling the method. I told you many times, once parameters variables passed as parameters, whenever you are calling that method, that moment the values you are passing, they are called arguments. Okay. Now user defined polymorphism, as per our definition, polymorphism means, poly means many, morphism forms, many forms. Same thing can be done in different ways. Same thing, addition here, addition, for it is being done for different, it is being done over a method, but method over how method and operator functions, how, okay, with the same name, with the same name. Add, method name is add, but parameters passed in different ways. Same thing can be done in different ways. Addition, but it is addition but with the different parameters. So polymorphism can be implemented over functions and methods and operators with the same name in the classes and objects. Okay. So here addition method, add method I have used it for addition, okay, with the different parameters, same thing but in different way. Here len function I have used the built-in function, so that is used for different to, here it is used over string, it is used here, it is used over a list. So what is the role of len function? To find out how many characters, what is the length of the string, here length of the list. So finally len will be used to find out the length, but here it is used for different ways. It is implemented over a list, here it is implemented over a string. Okay. So same here, len function can also be implemented over a dictionary. So suppose your dictionary is equal, suppose dict is a variable, so dictionary always will be declared in that is what, your flower braces. Now here dictionary, it consists of pair values. A string, suppose a string is here, Vasu, string has an ID number, suppose ID is equal something, whatever. Next come down, one more string, it has Rahul raw rule is a string, it has one more string, one more key value. So now it is a pair. Now Ravi, it is a one more string, Ravi. Always string will be represented single quotation or double quotation marks. Okay, pair will be separated with the columns. Now you change these values somewhat, like whatever. Okay, all are somewhat different values I kept. So 3 pairs are here. So dict will be declared with the pair values. Okay, each pair will be separated with comma, but pair one value, one key, it has a value. Okay, this is a pair. Pair has two values. One is what? A key, it is provided with a value. Okay, so now len function will be used here. Print bracket. Okay, len of dict. Dict is a variable. You can keep anything. Okay, in place of this variable xyz, anything. So now how many pairs? 3 pairs. We will get the answer 3 pairs. So initially 3. Okay, this is the okay. 3 is where this is the 3. Okay, now if you want to add some, whenever you are requesting for, if you want to some list values, you can keep a string value here, values of list, okay. You can just, you have added a string in front of this. So values of list, here you keep a text, dictionary values, dictionary values. How many values are there in a dictionary? Okay, dictionary values. So if you compile this code, dictionary values 3. Dictionary values, how many values are there in dictionary? So next you clears the screen here and you compile one more time. Before that you put some separators here, values of list, some separators like this one, and dictionary values. Dictionary values means how many dictionary consists of how many values. Here 3 pairs. Here it consists of list, consists of values when how many? 5. Okay. Dictionary values 3 pairs. Dictionary pairs, how many pairs it has? Dictionary always hold the values as pairs. List consists of the values, otherwise elements, you can say that. Okay, now what happened? Values of list 5. So these are called what? Polymorphic functions. So as I told you that polymorphism is a way to do the same thing in different ways. It will be implemented over the methods and functions or operators. Here I have not used operators, just one function and one method used. I have created some user-defined functions, especially it is not function, actually it is method. That is method name add, which is part of a class. That's why it is called as method. The same method will be used with different parameters. Here same thing is, that is addition is being done, but in different with the different parameters. Okay. Now let us check that what is the how much of time is here. 9. Okay. Now come down. What is happening? So one more thing I want to explain here. What is that? Where is that somewhat? Okay. If you want to get, you can also add some value of